Good morning children. Now in this video I am going to discuss that how we can add a new row in a data frame. See here the first one that I am going to discuss, how can add a new row in a data frame. So let's see practically. I have created one data frame, that name is new df. There are 3 rows, index 0 1 2. So I want to add a new row in a data frame new df. So the procedure is very simple. Just use the data frame which you have created. So I have created new df dot use lock method and pass the index where you want to add a new row. So I want to add new row in index 3. So you can use here and just pass the values, which value you want to insert. So you can see here how many columns in this row. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 values we need to pass here. 70 50 40 60 67 89 1 2 3 4 5 6. One more value is required, 60. Remember, when you are inserting a row, so you must see the columns, how many columns are there, and according to that you need to pass the values of row, otherwise it will not execute. Now you can see here, and when we run this one new df, so it will show 3 rows. So very simple concept. Once again I am going to repeat. If you want to add a new row in a data frame, so how we can add? The procedure is very simple. Just use the data frame which already you have created and use lock method and pass the index in lock method, what index you want to insert, where you want to insert row, and just passes the values of rows. Renaming column name in a data frame. Column को हम लोग कैसे rename करेंगे? तो for that rename method in series I have discussed, rename method you need to use. So how we can add a new, how we can rename a column? So again, once again, use a data frame which you have, and how we can rename? So there is a method, rename method, then use columns keyword, columns equal to, in dictionary write the current column name. So suppose Ritu is current column and I want to replace with Neetu. And one more thing here you have to use, that is here you have to use in place. You have to use, there is a keyword in place you need to use, and just write a true, because if you not use this one reflection you cannot see. And now just press enter. So what actually I did here, I renamed Ritu को हम लोग नीतू किए. So see the reflection, new df. So you can see Ritu था पहले हमारा, अब इसको हम लोग रिनेम कर दिए, नीतू कर दिए. So I think in this video I have discussed the 2 things, how we can add a new row in a data frame, and the second, how we can rename a column in a data frame. So the 2 things are clear to everyone. If any query if you have, you can ask. So now I'm going to discuss how we can add a new column in a data frame. So let's see. So how we can add a new column in a data frame. So right now I have a data frame new df, and when you press enter you can see I want to add a new column. So just use the data frame which you have created, new df, and write the column. So here I want to add a new column, Geeta. So write there Geeta, name of the column, and just pass the value here, Geeta. Suppose I want to pass the value 45, then 56. I need to pass here 67 and 90, and just press enter. Now you can see here new df, I have a new column Geeta. So you can see here. So once again I'm going to repeat the same thing, how we can add a new column in a data frame. So procedure is very simple. Just use the data frame which you have created, write the new column name here in the bracket, in big bracket, and just pass the values of this column and press enter. The new column will be added here. But one problem you can see here. Just let's see, new df, and I want to add Ganesh, and if you passing the value 12, 34, 56, 67, so only 3 values I'm going to pass here, and then see the result. So here one thing people have to keep in mind while you are just inserting a column, so whatever the rows values are there, means in not rows value, you can say in that column जितना वैल्यू होगा उतना वैल्यू आपको पास करना होगा. यहाँ एरर क्यों आया? बिकॉज हमारा जो वैल्यू होना चाहिए था 4 एंड आई हैव पास ओनली 3. दैट्स व्हाई दिस एरर इज ऑकर्ड. So I hope this is this concept is clear to everyone. What the things I have discussed in this video, I have discussed that how we can add a new row. See here, how we can add a new row in a data frame. The second thing, renaming a column name in a data frame, how we can rename a column name in a data frame, and the third part I have discussed, adding column to a data frame, how we can add a new column in a data frame. So that's okay, I think, to everyone. Any query if you have, you can put your query in comment box, and please you write your name when you are watching this video so that I can understand who have watched or who has not watched. And any query if you have, you can write in a chat box or in a comment, so I will try to sort out your problem. I hope all the things are okay. So I'm going to end this video. In next video I will discuss the fourth point, selecting a column from a data frame.